Hello everyone. We have already discussed the introduction part of this chapter, Nazism and the rise of Hitler in Germany. Actually, I prepared that video with a very specific objective. And this objective was to make the things clear to my students, to make the circumstances clear to my students. What circumstances? The circumstances which created the environment for the rise of Nazism and Hitler in Germany between the two world wars. After uploading the video, when the subscribers and other students watched it and the feedback they gave, I think I'm very much thankful to them. मैं थोड़ा सा संकोच में था कि इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो इसका प्रिपेयर किया जाए या नहीं किया जाए, लेकिन मुझे लगा कि यह चैप्टर बिल्कुल नया है और इसके पहले इस चैप्टर के किसी भी टॉपिक को स्टूडेंट्स ने पहले पढ़ा नहीं है, तो एक इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो अगर तैयार किया जाए तो शायद बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। मैं भी उस समय शायद ही सोच रहा था, लेकिन अब मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूं कि जो डिसीजन हम लोगों ने लिया वो सही था। तो आने वाले जो भी चैप्टर्स होंगे उन सभी के लिए शायद हम लोग इसी अप्रोच पर चले। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। Nazism and the rise of Hitler. This is the title of the chapter, and now we are going to discuss all the important topics in the chapter one by one. Okay? The first topic we are going to discuss is the life of Adolf Hitler in brief, or you can say a brief introduction of Adolf Hitler, so that the topics related to this chapter can be understood comfortably, easily. So let's start. Adolf Hitler was born on 20th April 1889 in Germany. No, in Austria. In Austria. You will study a lot about Austria and Germany in class 10 also. So, once again I say, Adolf Hitler was born on 20th April 1889 in Austria. ठीक है? So, it's quite natural we would like to know about his parents. And Alois Hitler was his father's name, and Clara was his mother. So these two were the proud parents of Adolf Hitler. Hitler, originally an Austrian citizen, but how long he remained the citizen of Austria? He remained the citizen of Austria till 1925. It means Hitler was the citizen of Austria since 1889 to 1925. Okay? And 1925 to 1932, he was not the citizen of any country. From 1932 to 1945, he was the citizen of Germany. So, 3 phases are there. In the first phase of his life, he was the citizen of Austria. In the second phase, that is 1925 to 1932, he was stateless, or you can say he was not the citizen of any state or any country, you can say. 1932 to 1945, he was the citizen of Germany. Hitler joined the German army in 1914. In 1914. Quite natural, he participated in the First World War as a soldier, and he remained in the army till 1920. Remember, 1914 to 1918, the First World War was fought, in which Germany was badly defeated, and the Treaty of Versailles was imposed on Germany by Britain, France and Russia on 28 June 1919. Okay. So, he was a German soldier, we can say. And he was in the Gefreitier in the 16th Bavarian Reserve Regiment. 16th Bavarian Reserve Regiment. Then 29th July 1921 to 30th April 1945, Hitler was popular as the Führer of the Nazi Party, creator of the Nazi Party, leader of the Nazi Party. He remained the Chancellor of Germany. Adolf Hitler remained the Chancellor of Germany from 30th January 1933 to 30th April 1943. 1943. Then on 2nd August 1934, he became the Führer of Germany, and he remained the Führer of Germany till 30th April 1945, means dictator of Germany, you can say. वो जर्मनी का तानाशाह बना रहा 2nd August 1934 से लेकर 30th April 1945 तक. ये बात हम लोगों को दिमाग में रखनी है. ईवा ब्राउन, ये एक बड़ा ही इम्पॉर्टेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनालिटी है हिटलर की लाइफ में. हिटलर ने ईवा ब्राउन से शादी की. ही मैरिड ईवा ब्राउन, और ईवा ब्राउन से हिटलर की शादी जो है वो हिटलर की डेथ से कुछ ही समय पहले की है. हिटलर ने एक बहुत ही फेमस बुक लिखी है He has written a very famous book, and the title of the book in German language is Mein Kampf or Mein Kampf. This book was written between 1923 to 1924. 1923 to 1924. My Struggle. In Hindi also now it is available. MERA SANGHARSH, in German language Mein Kampf. Hitler committed suicide. He shot himself at Berlin, and the reason was he wanted to avoid to be captured by the Soviet Red Army. He didn't want to be captured. He didn't want to be captivated by the Russians. And that is why he committed suicide by gunshot. People also say that the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles were responsible for the Second World War. But any event, good or bad, doesn't happen for one reason. Reasons were many for the Second World War also, and for the rise of Hitler in Germany also. This brief discussion is about the life of Hitler. And I hope this brief information about Adolf Hitler is going to be useful to all of us to understand Nazism and the rise of Hitler in Germany. So this is our first topic. We are coming up with the term Nazism and its features. Nazism and its features. Okay? This is going to be our next video lecture. I hope all of you will be benefited of that, will take advantage of that, and help others also to take advantage of that. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.